Welcome to Panaya ForeSight. This video will show you how to run an impact analysis for a Salesforce component directly from within Salesforce. In this example, we will look at the opportunity stage field. The impact analysis will show you where and how this field is used across the entire org. Let's get started. After installing our Chrome extension, hover over the Opportunity Stage field and click Analyze. You will see immediately a summary of the direct and indirect dependencies for the Opportunity Stage field. In order to better understand how this field is used across your org, click on View in Panaya and open the analysis graph. You can also view the impacted component in a list view. The analysis graph visualizes all the dependencies of your selected component in one look. It's like having an X-ray into your org, showing you how everything is connected and what is impacted. But we know that you need actionable data, so let's see how to get more insights. We can see that changing the Opportunity Stage field will impact an approval process. To understand the effect, click on Approval Process and select Assess Impact. This will zoom in on the approval process and show exactly how it is connected to the Opportunity Stage field. For code-based components like Apex classes and triggers, Panaya ForeSight enables you to see exactly where within the code the component is referenced. Simply hover on the selected Apex class and click View Source Code in order to see the code and learn where there is a direct or indirect reference to the Opportunity Stage. This will help you decide if you need to include the Apex class in your development work as part of making this change. Feeling a little overwhelmed with all this data? Don't worry. You can easily filter the graph based on different attributes. Now, you can view only the specific types of components you wish to explore. There are plenty of filters to help you focus your search and concentrate your attention on the relevant data. It doesn't matter if you're editing a simple workflow, refining a business-critical process, or adding new functionality to your Salesforce system, Panaya will save you hours of manual investigations and help you deliver the best results in the shortest time. This is it for now. Thank you for watching.